Sugar is everywhere. It hides in plain sight. We find it in processed foods, sugary drinks, and even seemingly healthy options. This constant sugar consumption can have serious consequences for our health. It can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses. Quitting sugar might seem daunting, but the benefits are worth it. By eliminating added sugars from your diet for just 30 days, you can experience remarkable transformations in your body and mind. Imagine feeling more energized, thinking more clearly, and looking and feeling your best. This is the power of breaking free from sugar. The journey may not be easy, but it's achievable and incredibly rewarding. This essay will guide you through the changes your body undergoes when you give up added sugars for 30 days. Get ready to discover a healthier, happier you. The first week of quitting sugar is often the toughest. It's a period where your body and mind are adjusting to a significant change. The cravings can be intense, and the withdrawal symptoms can feel overwhelming. Your body is used to a constant influx of sugar. For years, it has relied on sugar for quick energy and instant gratification. This dependency makes the initial phase of quitting particularly challenging. When you cut it off, withdrawal symptoms can kick in. These symptoms can range from headaches and nausea to mood swings and irritability. It's your body's way of protesting the sudden change. You might experience intense cravings for sugary treats. These cravings can be hard to resist, especially when you're surrounded by temptations. It's important to stay strong and remind yourself why you started this journey. It's like your body is demanding its usual dose of sugar. The discomfort can be physical, with symptoms like stomach aches and fatigue, and mental, with feelings of anxiety and restlessness. Irritability is also common during the first week. You might find yourself snapping at loved ones or feeling unusually frustrated. This is a normal reaction as your body adjusts to the lack of sugar. You might find yourself feeling grumpy and short-tempered. It's important to be patient with yourself and those around you during this time. Remember, this is a temporary phase. This is a normal part of the process as your body adjusts to the lack of sugar. Engaging in activities like meditation, deep breathing, and light exercise can help alleviate some of the discomfort. Fatigue is another common symptom. Without sugar to provide quick energy bursts, you might feel more tired than usual. This can make it difficult to stay motivated and focused. Without sugar to provide quick energy bursts, you might feel more tired than usual. This fatigue can be frustrating, but it's a sign that your body is starting to rely on more stable sources of energy. This is temporary, but it can be challenging in the initial stages. Pushing through this fatigue and continuing with your daily activities can help your body adjust more quickly. Remember, these withdrawal symptoms are temporary. They are a sign that your body is detoxing from sugar and starting to heal. Keep reminding yourself of the long-term benefits. They are a sign that your body is detoxing from sugar. Incorporating healthy foods and regular exercise into your routine can help speed up the detox process and reduce withdrawal symptoms. Push through this initial phase, and you'll soon start to experience the positive effects of quitting sugar. Increased energy, better mood, and improved overall health are just a few of the benefits waiting for you on the other side. As you enter the second week, the withdrawal symptoms begin to subside. Your body starts to adapt to a lower sugar intake. You'll notice a significant improvement in your energy levels. Instead of experiencing sugar highs and crashes, you'll have more sustained energy throughout the day. You'll feel less sluggish and more capable of tackling daily tasks. This newfound energy can improve your mood and motivation. Mental clarity also sharpens during week 2. The brain fog lifts, and you'll find it easier to concentrate and focus. You may experience improved memory and cognitive function. This increased mental clarity can positively impact your work, relationships, and overall well-being. You'll be more present, attentive, and productive. Section 4. Week 3. Unveiling your natural glow. Week 3 brings noticeable improvements in your skin health. Sugar can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage the skin and accelerate aging. By eliminating added sugars, you allow your skin to heal and rejuvenate. You might notice a reduction in acne breakouts. your skin will appear clearer and brighter. The inflammation that causes redness and puffiness subsides, revealing a more even skin tone. Fine lines and wrinkles may also become less noticeable. Sugar can damage collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm and elastic. Reducing sugar intake can help protect these proteins, slowing down the aging process. This newfound glow is not just skin deep. It reflects the positive changes happening throughout your body as you nourish it with healthier choices. Section 5. Week 4. A lighter you inside and out. Welcome to the 4th week of your transformative journey. This week we focus on the incredible changes happening both inside and out as you continue to make healthier choices. By week 4, you'll likely experience noticeable weight loss. This is a significant milestone, and it's important to celebrate your progress. The numbers on the scale are just one indicator of your success. Sugar is highly caloric and can contribute to fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Understanding the impact of sugar on your body is crucial. It not only affects your weight, but also your overall health. Cutting out added sugars reduces your calorie intake, leading to weight management. By choosing healthier alternatives, you are making a positive impact on your body. This change helps in stabilizing your blood sugar levels and reducing cravings. This weight loss is not just about the number on the scale. It's about the overall improvement in your well-being. You might notice an increase in your energy levels and a boost in your mood. It's about feeling lighter, more energetic, and more confident in your body. Engaging in regular physical activity becomes more enjoyable as you feel the positive changes in your body. Your clothes might fit better, and you might find yourself moving with more ease and grace. Everyday activities become less of a chore and more of a pleasure as your body adapts to a healthier lifestyle. Beyond weight loss, you'll also experience improvements in your gut health. A balanced diet rich in fiber and probiotics supports a healthy digestive system, which is essential for overall well-being. Sugar can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut, leading to digestive issues. These imbalances can cause discomfort and affect your body's ability to absorb nutrients effectively. Eliminating sugar allows the beneficial bacteria to flourish, promoting a healthy digestive system. Incorporating foods like yogurt, kefir, and other fermented products can significantly improve your gut health. This improved gut health can reduce bloating, constipation, and other digestive discomforts. You'll feel a sense of relief and lightness as your digestive system functions more efficiently. You'll feel lighter, more comfortable, and more energized from within. Embracing these changes will not only transform your body, but also enhance your overall quality of life. Continue to make mindful choices and celebrate each step of your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Section 6. Beyond 30 days, the gift of lasting wellness. The benefits of quitting sugar extend far beyond the initial 30 days. It's not just about a temporary change, it's about embracing a new way of living that promotes lasting wellness and vitality. As you continue to make healthier food choices, you'll reap the rewards of a sugar-free lifestyle. This means more energy, better mood stability, and a clearer mind. You'll find that your cravings for unhealthy foods diminish, making it easier to stick to nutritious options. Your blood sugar levels will stabilize, reducing your risk of type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. This is a significant benefit, as stable blood sugar levels contribute to overall well-being and prevent the roller coaster of energy highs and lows. Your immune system will also strengthen. Regular exercise combined with a balanced diet free from added sugars creates a robust defense against illnesses. Sugar can suppress the immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. By cutting out sugar, you allow your immune system to function at its best, reducing the frequency and severity of colds and other common ailments. By eliminating added sugars, you support your body's natural defenses, boosting your immunity and overall health. You'll notice fewer sick days and a greater ability to fight off infections. You'll experience a profound shift in your relationship with food. This journey encourages mindfulness and a deeper understanding of how different foods affect your body and mind. You'll develop a greater awareness of what you consume and make conscious choices that nourish your body. This awareness extends to reading food labels, understanding ingredients, and opting for whole, unprocessed foods. This newfound awareness can lead to long-term healthy eating habits. Meal prepping and planning become second nature, ensuring that you always have healthy options available. The journey doesn't end at 30 days. It's a lifelong commitment to prioritizing your health and well-being. Setting and achieving health goals becomes a continuous process, one that evolves with you. It's a lifelong commitment to prioritizing your health and well-being. Each milestone you reach, whether it's a fitness goal or a new healthy habit, brings a sense of accomplishment and joy, and the rewards are immeasurable. The gift of lasting wellness is not just about physical health. It's about emotional and mental well-being too. It's about living a life full of energy, happiness, and fulfillment, and sharing that joy with those around you. Section 7. Your 30-day challenge. Sweet freedom awaits. Quitting sugar for 30 days is a powerful way to transform your health and well-being. It's a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and empowerment. The initial challenges are temporary, and the rewards are life-changing. Are you ready to break free from the sweet trap and experience the incredible benefits of a sugar-free lifestyle? Take the 30-day challenge. Your body will thank you. Start today and embark on a path to a healthier, happier you. The journey begins with a single step, a conscious choice to prioritize your well-being.